Hello everyone, welcome back to Genius Knowledge Point, your one place for practical programming solutions for computer and IT students. I am making this video to provide practical knowledge to all students so that you can develop your own programs which will be helpful for your studies as well as career. In this video we will perform practical number 11 of Python programming, which is according to case scheme of Diploma Computer and IT students, and the semester number is 4. And the topic here is to perform following functions on set. Functions given are union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference. So in mathematics we do similar kind of operations on the set, and the meaning is same here. So we can perform the operations similar to mathematical set operations here. So directly moving toward the question, write a Python program to perform following operations on set: intersection of sets, union of sets, set difference, symmetric difference, and clear a set. So these operations we have to perform on a set. So for that purpose we have to use two sets, because for performing these operations we need two sets here. So directly moving toward the code. So initially I am creating first set as set1 is equal to, and I am adding some numbers here. Then creating second set as set2, and again adding some numbers in that second set. Then I am using print statement to print set1 is created as and attaching set1, then printing second set as set2 is created as and attaching set2. So both the sets will be printed here, which is original values. Next I am using third print statement, and in that I am printing union of set1 and set2 is, and after that I am using set1 or set2. So this is how the union can be done, and which is similar to mathematical union of two sets. What it will do, it will combine two sets in one set, but it will not add duplicate elements, because as I have explained in earlier practical, set is storing unique numbers only. So it will not add the duplicate values, it will add them only one time. So this is how the union will be created and it will be printed here. Next I am printing intersection of set1 and set2 is, and after that I am using set1 ampersand set2. So what it will do, it will do intersection operation on the set, and that will be printed. So while intersecting, it will display only the common numbers from the two sets. Next I am printing difference of set1 and set2 is, and using set1 minus set2 as attachment. So what it will do, it will remove the elements from set1 which is already present in set2. So the remaining element from the set1 will be displayed only. So this is how the difference operation can be done, and we are removing set2 elements from set1. So that's why only set1 elements will be displayed. Next I am using print statement again, then printing symmetric difference of set1 and set2 is, and I am attaching set1, then power operator and set2. So what it will do, it will do symmetric difference. So it will display the elements which are not common in two sets. So the remaining elements will be displayed here which are not common in two sets. So the common elements only will be removed here, and remaining elements from the two sets will be displayed. This is how the symmetric difference can be done. And final operation is we have to clear a set. So for that purpose we have a function, so set1 dot clear. So using this function I am clearing set1, and after that printing after clearing set1 is and attaching set1. So what it will display, it will display nothing here because set1 is cleared now. So it is not having any elements here at this statement. So this is how the coding is complete. So selecting entire code, copying the code, then going to PyCharm, creating new Python file as operations, and pasting the code here and running the code. You can see the original set is printed as set1 is printed as original values are inside our program, then set2 is also printed, then union of set is printed here. You can see it has combined both the sets, but there are no duplicate values, so the repeated values are displayed only once here. Next intersection of set is displayed, that is 10, 20, 60 and 30, which are the common numbers in both the sets. Then difference of set1 and set2 is displayed as 80, 50 and 40. You can see 80, 50 and 40 is present in one set, and 20, 10, 60 and 30 are present in second set. So it has removed the second set elements from first set. So that's why it is displaying 80, 50 and 40 only. Then symmetric difference is displayed here, and in symmetric difference the common elements are removed from both the sets. and remaining elements are displayed here as a new set. This is how symmetric difference is done here. And finally we have cleared a set, so it is displaying after clearing set 1 is, and it is not displaying the values, it is just displaying empty set because set 1 is emptied now. So this is how we have performed multiple operations on the set using this practical, and this question is complete as well as this practical number 11 is complete, which was just using some mathematical operations on the set that we have done here, and this practical is completed now. So that's it for today's practical. I hope you understand the program clearly. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such programming solutions, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. If you have any doubts or need solutions for other programs, drop a comment below. I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy coding.